Hi friends, in this video I would be showing this Taparia 1408 long needle nose mini plier. See, this is a product. This is a price 190. This is the actual MRP of the product. This is very good product. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.